After access is adoption, right? And one of the big barriers to that certainly is affordability, but a lot of device access too. And I think our foundation is really in something I think everybody recognizes, which is broadband creates economic value. The question really then becomes, can we create mechanisms that capture that value rather than release it as an externality? Are there ways where we can keep that value within the community or let it be extracted? And so on a post-access basis, one of the things we've thought about is using device access. Devices as really the linchpin for knowledge and literacy. So instead of granting devices to low-income households, we're structuring a couple transactions where we would provide the funding to an ISP who then gets devices for low-income households. So at the household level, it's a similar impact. But by running it through the ISP, they now stand to gain the value of the monthly subscription. And so we'll say, pay us a portion of that until till the balance of the device is repaid. If that household churns, goes to a competitor, stops paying their monthly, ISP is no longer on the hook for the remaining amount of the balance. But now that we're getting a device into that household, could we view that device as a platform for content and service distribution? So pre-flash, telehealth apps to connect with providers, financial literacy content where they can click through and then they have a link to opening an online checking account, links to government services, veteran affairs, et cetera. So making the device and the internet as usable as possible out of the box. And then we're working with community anchors to really distribute that. And on distribution, handing it over, providing the in real-time digital literacy training.